Recognize this tree? You might know it as the Widowmaker or as a trash tree. You may not know that cottonwood has the power to repair or prevent stretch marks. I should know. I've had 6 kids. So when I read that the balm of Gilead made from cottonwood trees heals ugly scars, holy smokes! I had to get me some! I learned how, I made it, and guess what? It works! So how do you get some? First, you gotta find some cottonwood trees. In the city, you'll find them in parks or in libraries. In the boonies, you'll find them growing along canals or riverbeds. In the summer, you'll recognize this tree by its leaves. See their teardrop shape? And they're huge, as big as your palm. They're similar to aspens, but notice the difference in the buds here. But the magic of cottonwood is in the buds. So you gotta find it in the winter or early spring before the leaves pop out. If the tree you find's already got leaves, don't dismay. You can often still find the branches scattered along the ground from the winter with the buds still attached. Now that you've found a cottonwood, harvest some of the marvelous buds and their icky, sticky goo.
Oh, cottonwood tree, I'm so grateful for this medicine.
Take your buds home and then pour oil over them to cover them. Use olive, jojoba, avocado, coconut, whatever is nourishing to you. And swirl them every day till your oil gets darker. Need that medicine now? Heat speeds this up. When your oil is ready, strain out the buds. Using a hanky or an old t-shirt helps you catch all the bits. If you like the consistency of an oil on your belly, then you are done. Ta-da! Make sure you pour it into a nifty container because, duh, it's way more fun to use a pretty bottle. As with all of my videos, cottonwood is mama, baby, and family safe. If you like more of a creamy texture, then melt some beeswax. Add your oil into the beeswax and pour it into a balm container. As you spread this cottonwood wonderfulness over your scars, over time you will see the color fade. And then, bikini season is on, baby! To recap, pick, infuse, strain, and rub. Ta-da! If you just can't wait to wrap your belly in this precious balm of Gilead, I have some extra that I would share with you. Help me out by sending this video to 3 pregnant gals you know, and then post below that you are ready for me to send you some.
Thanks for helping. Choose freedom.